Hi team, here is my justification for the design choices I made when creating the infographic about the rise of renewable energy in the United States. The infographic is composed of 3 sections, and I have followed the principle of proximity, alignment, similarity, contrast, and color theory. The first section is based on facts, and I followed the contrast principle and color theory to differentiate the main points and make them easy to read for the readers. I used 2 colors, blood type and size, to create the contrast. The background color is off-white that makes easy to read and understand the text. The second section contains graphs, where the first graph is pie chart, and it shows the contribution of renewable energy resources, and the second graph is bar chart that describe the U.S. energy production by energy resource. I applied proximity principle in this section of my infographic, where these graphs are aligned as a group and can be perceived as one unit. The third section explains the infographic, and it follows the principle of both proximity and alignment. Text on a page is easier to read and properly aligned horizontally. I also added a picture giving a partial explanation of text, and the colors of the pictures are unified with the rest of colors in the infographic. On the whole, the infographic perfectly follows the principle of contrast, proximity, and alignment. Please ask if you have any questions. Thank you all for listening.